The only one that this had happened to. My credit score fell 250 points, y'all, 2 weeks ago because of my student loans. My student loans made my credit score drop 250 points. And I know y'all are like, how is that possible? To go get my master's in social work. My program alone was 70K. It took me forever to find a job, even with a master's. So that whole time, my student loans are accruing debt. And I had a little bit of student loans from undergrad, but not much. Now my student loans are $112,000. And get this kicker, my student loan payment is $1,100 every month. I would put it. If somebody knows how to help a sister out, I will make another video and prove it to y'all. But yes, and I had to do the forbearance form, so hopefully they'll take it. But
yesterday talking about how my credit score tanked 130 plus points overnight because I lost access to my Mohila account, or Mohela, however you say it, from December through February. So I was unable to make payments because I literally just couldn't access the account. I go through the exact steps that I went through to get somebody on the phone. So basically, I know the menu can be super overwhelming because there's all these different choices. What I did was, as soon as they asked me for my social security number or my account number, I didn't put in anything, and I just let it ask me for it a couple times, and then it was like, oh, you clearly need more help, so now you were placed in the queue to talk to a representative. And then after I got placed into the queue, it turned to 3.5 hours. So that matter of maybe 2 minutes really does make a difference. However, I was on hold for much longer than that. I was on hold until about 5:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is after the call center closes, mind you. So if you find yourself in that position, stay on the phone past the closing time. Asked if I would like to be placed into a general forbearance and explained what that looks like to me. Basically, you're still accruing interest, but you're not charged for anything over a maximum 12-month period. But my understanding is you can actually split that forbearance up into smaller chunks of time as long as it falls within a larger 3-year window, if that makes sense. Obviously, my credit score is still the same as it was yesterday, right? But it should start to go up now that the account is current, so that's good.
8 million Americans just woke up with a tanked credit score because of student loans. If you have a student loan, you might want to check. Even if you think it was forgiven, there are errors now being reported to the credit bureaus that you still owe the debt. But you really don't. They're just mistakes. This is why it's so important that you have a real credit monitoring system set up, not Credit Karma, something that actually shows you the details.